Proxmox scripts. Proxmox. View scripts. Network and firewall. In this video, I install UniFi Network Server to manage access points. UniFi Network Server. How to install. You only need to use a single command to install UniFi Network Server on Proxmox. Proxmox. Shell. Paste. Default install. Installation complete. And here is the system access address. Copy. Open a new tab. Advanced. I leave the default name. Next, you register a UniFi account and use it to log in. Password. Sign in. Two-factor authentication. Copy code. Paste code. Sign in. Login complete. Next, I adopt an access point. This is the access point I will add to the system. Click to adopt. Adding a new access point is complete. Next, I create a new wireless network. Wi-Fi. Create new. Name. Password. 12345678. Show. Add Wi-Fi network. This is the wireless network I just created. Email or username. Email. Password. Sign in. Two-factor authentication. Paste code. Trust device. I have successfully connected to the UniFi Network device management system that I just installed on Proxmox. UniFi devices. The access point I just added to the system in the previous step. These are the steps to set up UniFi Network Server on Proxmox. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck. A phone has connected to the wireless network I just created.